Now, when we start to identify the minerals, we will follow a few steps. We're going to test the properties in a particular order. So the first property that we will test is the luster. Then we will, once we've determined the luster, whether it's metallic or non-metallic, we will then go on to test the hardness. And once we've tested the hardness, whether it is soft or hard, or a particular number in the Mohs scale of hardness, we will then go on to test whether the mineral has cleavage or fracture. That is the manner in which the mineral breaks. And then we will go on to see if there are any other major characteristics that will help us identify the mineral. And some of these major characteristics are the color of the mineral, the streak of the mineral, the crystal form or habit, and density of the mineral, how heavy it is. And then we will also determine whether it will react with acid. And in some cases, we can even test properties like smell, taste, tenacity, magnetism, and the presence of striations or lamellae. So these are some of the properties that we use to identify the minerals. Now, while you are doing these tests, it's very useful to look at the flow charts. We have some flow charts that are provided. So we have 3 pages of flow charts. The first page is on page 78, where you will look at whether the mineral is metallic or non-metallic. If it's metallic, you will use this flow chart on page 78. If it is non-metallic, that means it has a non-metallic luster, then we will look at the flow chart on page 79, which is for dark minerals. And if it is a non-metallic light colored mineral, then you will use the third flow chart, which is on page 80. These 3 flow charts will allow you to arrive at the name of the mineral.